Hi everybody, Dave here in the New to You Fishing Kitchen. We have a new recipe. Well, it's actually not a new recipe. It's really a recipe tip. We have a pompano today. We're going to do a lemon pepper grilled pompano. And so what's so special about lemon pepper grilled pompano? Um, the key point in this recipe is I can't tell you how long I've been cooking fish and I've had a problem with sticking to the grill grates. And I learned a tip and a couple of weeks ago, and I've tried this recipe a few times now, and it's worked every time. And I started asking people, do you know about this? Do you know about this? And even fishermen that I've talked to really don't know about this. Now, you can do the same thing if you do an incredible job cleaning your grill, you pre-oil it, you cook with skin or on the half shell, basically, and you won't have sticking, right? Because you've got that essentially insulating layer of the scales and skin opposed to your flesh directly on the grill. We're going to put the flesh directly on the grill of this pompano, and it's not going to stick. And I'll show you how we're going to do that. So to make lemon pepper grilled pompano, what do you need? You need pompano. Full disclosure, I've been laid up a little bit, so this one came out of the freezer. You need lemon and you need pepper. Now we're going to throw in a little badilla as well. But this is the key ingredient, mayonnaise. And so after we season with this, we're going to slather both sides of the pompano fillets in mayo. And you might say, well, isn't that going to make it taste like mayo and give it a strange taste? Actually, I don't like mayonnaise. I don't use regular mayonnaise on anything, but shockingly, it doesn't impart a flavor when you do the grilling. So, and it prevents the sticking. So that sounds like a win-win to me. So we're going to do the quick prep here. I'll show you that. And then we'll go out to the grill and I'll show you a lack of sticking. The prep time on this is amazingly simple. So we're just going to go in with a little badilla. We're going to, and we've already zested and juiced the lemon here. It's actually about 3/4, and I reserved 1/4 for the end. So we'll throw these in. Okay, that's straightforward. A little more badilla. Then we've got a tablespoon or so of ground pepper. Go in with that. All right, we'll flip that. There's only one more step to our prep, and that's slathering with mayo. All right, mayo's going in next. Squeeze a mayo's in, and now we just have a silicone brush back and forth. Okay, let's flip. Keep slathering with the mayo, lemon, pepper, badilla seasoning mix. That's it. That's all there is to it. We're ready to go. Our grill says it's at 500. The grates are probably 400 at this point. I think you want your grill hot. It's obviously important. We're clean. There's been no, I didn't do any pre-oiling or anything. So hopefully this is all gonna work as planned. Let's put the fish down and let the process begin. Pompano is relatively thin, so it cooks fairly quick at high temperature. We're going to leave these on for 7-8 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're going to check for a flip. Come back here. Look at that. It's incredible. It's just shocking to me that this works as good as it works. You get a beautiful char marks from your grill, and you get no sticking. Not a little sticking, no sticking. All right, we're going to let those finish up on side 2. I think we're into it about 4.5 minutes. So another 3-4 minutes, we should be good to go. Okay, it's time. So there's our fillets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we've got a clean grill. It's just astounding to me. Give it a try. Find out for yourself. We'll do a little quick taste test on the inside. Let's get it served up while they're hot. Here it is. Upper and lower loin, little rice, little salad. We're just going to squeeze on our extra lemon. If you need more pepper, we've got more pepper. And there's your lemon pepper grilled pompano without sticking to the grill. It's shocking. I still have a hard time understanding it. And I do live in a condo, and we have a shared grill, and I'm sure the neighbors appreciate not having fish stuck to their grill. All right, we'll come back for a quick taste test in a few minutes. Mid-meal taste test. It's like lemon pepper grilled fish. You don't taste the mayo. Of course, the pompano is fantastic. I could eat this constantly. Mama, would you like to say anything about tonight's lemon pepper grilled pompano?
It's very good. Delicious fish.
Great. All right, so there you have it. That's the tip for this video, is use the mayo. And I have tried it on a couple other recipes as well when grilling, not just lemon pepper, but it prevents fish from sticking, and not just pompano. So you don't believe me, give it a try, and comment below the description what your results were. I'd love to hear about it. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, and please consider to subscribe to New to You Fishing. I've got another recipe in the works, and we'll get that posted shortly. Thanks a lot. Bye.